If you are watching this, that means we have yet another snow day. So this is the lesson that I was going to teach on Thursday, February 13th. And it is multiplying fraction by fraction. And we started working on this on Tuesday. And we were basically doing it with the diagram method and then method 2, which would be multiplying across. And there'll be a third method that I'm going to introduce to you. So let's figure out what does this mean. 3/4 times, which means of 2/5. Well, let's pretend that we have a tray of brownies, because you know I always work with food. There's my tray of brownies. And I'm going to divide this tray into fifths. 1/5, 2/5, 3/5, 4/5, 5/5. So I have a whole tray of brownies, and you know me, I'm not going to share the whole tray. I decided I'm going to share 1/5, 2/5. I'm going to share 2/5 of this tray of brownies with you. It's pretty nice of me. And then, as always, I'm going to say, no, I'm not. I'm not going to share the 2/5 of this tray of brownies. I'm only going to share 3/4 of this tray of brownies. All right, so I went from just sharing 2/5 to now only to 3/4 of that. What does that mean? Well, now I'm going to divide it into fourths this way. 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4. All right, so I am going to share 3/4 of the 2/5. Here is the 1/4 of the 2/5 that I was going to share. 2/4 of the 2/5 I was going to share. And 3/4 of the 2/5 that I was going to share. So really, this is all I'm going to share out of this whole tray of brownies. You're lucky you're getting that. So what does that mean? Let's see. Well, now 2/5, so I have 3/4 of 2/5. Well, I've got how many pieces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 times 4 is 20, so there are 20 pieces there. And out of those 20 pieces, 3/4 of that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 pieces out of 20. 6 20s. But I can't leave it like that. I need to simplify. So to simplify, 6 divided by 2 equals 3, and 20 divided by 2 equals 10. I'm actually going to share 3/10 of that whole tray of brownies with you. This is method 1 using a diagram. Method 2, which we also talked about, which you seem to like more than method 1. I've got something even better for you. Method 2, what am I going to do with method 2? Well, this is going to be method 2 right here. I'm going to multiply straight across, and we did this on Tuesday. 3 times 2 equals 6, and 4 times 5 equals 20. Oh, look, I have 6/20 here and 6/20 here. And I need to simplify that. 6 divided by 2 equals 3. 20 divided by 2 equals 10. 3/10. And again, 3/10. So I have method 1 with the diagram, method 2 where I multiply straight across, and now I'm going to show you method 3, which is going to take a little getting used to. All right, so let's take a look at this problem again. I have 3/4. I am going to share 3/4 of a tray of brownies, but only 2/5 of that tray. So I'm going to share 3/4 of the 2/5 of the tray of brownies. I am going to simplify first. So method 3 is a simplify first method. How am I going to do that? Well, I'm going to look at my fractions kind of in a diagonal sense here. So I'm going to look at the numerator in this fraction and the denominator in this fraction, and I want to try and figure out what number can be divided into both of them, if any. And in this case, there is a number. 2 can be divided by 2, and 4 can be divided by 2. All right, let's simplify that. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 4 divided by 2 is 2. I'm also going to look at the numerator from this first fraction and the denominator of this fraction. Is there a number that can go into 3 and into 5? No, there isn't. So I'm going to just take the information I have, and I have 3 times 1 is 3, and 2 times 5 is 10. So I simplified it here, which helped me out in the end, and either way you look at it, method 1, 2, or 3, I am only sharing 3/10 of those brownies with you. Sorry.